Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking Stories. Today we are going to prepare famous street food of Mumbai, Vada Pav. This is a very simple recipe which you must try at home. Everyone will definitely love it. In a pan, heat 1.5 teaspoons of oil on medium flame. Then add around 15 cloves of garlic. Saute it till it turns light golden in color. Now add around 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. Saute it for a few seconds and then add 1/4 cup of grated dry coconut. You can also skip sesame seeds and grated dry coconut if you don't like the taste of it. Saute it till it turns light golden in color. Now add 1/4 cup of roasted peanuts without skin. Now add around 2 tablespoons of red chilli powder and turn off the flame. Now transfer it to a blender and add half teaspoon of hing and grind it to a coarse mix. Now add 1.5 teaspoons of salt and mix it well. You can add this at the time of grinding itself. Since we missed this step, so we are adding it now. In a deep vessel, add 2 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil is hot enough, add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds and let them pop. Now add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 3 chopped green chillies, and few curry leaves. Now saute it for few seconds and add 4 boiled potatoes mashed nicely into it. Mix it nicely. Now add half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon hing, and 1 teaspoon salt. Give it a good mix. Now add 1 teaspoon coriander powder, and half cup of coriander leaves. Mix it well, making sure all spices are combined well with the potato. Finally, switch off the flame and add 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Mix it well and keep it aside. Now for our besan batter, in a bowl, add 1 cup of besan, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of chilli powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of hing. Mix it well and add water little by little to form a lump-free smooth batter. At the end, add 1 tablespoon oil and mix it well. Now we will start preparing balls out of our aloo mixture. Apply little oil to your palms to make sure that aloo mixture does not get stuck to your hands. Now heat oil in a kadhai for deep frying our potatoes. Now we will dip each potato rounds into the batter, coat it from all sides, then drop it carefully into the hot oil. Deep fry on medium flame, stirring occasionally. Fry it till it turns golden and crisp. Now with leftover besan batter, prepare chura by pouring watery besan batter in hot oil. Fry on medium flame till the chura turns golden and crisp. Now fry few green chilies by turning off the flame. Be careful as the oil will splutter. Fry it till its color starts to fade. Now slit the pav from center to halfway without cutting fully. Spread half teaspoon of dry chutney powder. Stuff few prepared chura. Place the vada in center of the pav. Place a fried chilli on top of it and finally press the vada pav and serve it immediately. It is one of the famous and delicious Maharashtrian dishes which you can enjoy as an evening snack or breakfast. If you enjoyed watching our videos, do subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified for our future videos.